Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new manhwa called The Perfect Idol Guide to the Fall. Falling in Love for Real, Chapter 1. So here it is. Let's read the story. Celebrating the 3rd anniversary concert since the debut of the Mystery Idols. Venue is packed. A lot of fans wanting to watch the show. Fate the breakthrough, despite shackles, season facing challenges head on. This girl group is really popular on that time. Like I told you, I will never surrender. This girl is the leader of the girl group Mystery. She is called Windy, a gorgeous girl. She's the one who's leading the team, just to be the one. The light in your eyes. She has a perfect in everything. She looks really good, and she really sings well. Everyone is calling Windy Milestyle. The fans, they're getting too excited. They're calling their names. Also, a lot of fans is too much happy seeing them for the 3rd anniversary of the Milestyle. Thank you all for coming to our 3rd anniversary concert. Windy said to them. Now, Windy, she was spoken to the fans. From the team treasurer, she the captain Windy, bites her tongue when she is shy. I've met our fans so many times. Why are you still so embarrassed? Members is asking her. Of course, she was really shy. I really like Windy so much. She is cool, sassy on stage, but gentle and cute off stage. Even if the mystery has been tepid as long as Windy continues to be a captain, you can keep chasing them. Are there new songs to be released? Resource for the sister. There's a major announcement during the 3rd anniversary. Didn't know that. Mystery team will change. Windy, she looks really gorgeous. Everyone is praising her. Everyone is liking her. Suddenly, announcement said that the mystery will be divided into 2 teams. Pretty and gorgeous Siren team with Windy as the captain. The other hand, the other team, other group is the sweet and lively Eva, led by the new captain. Oh, this girl really look cute, right? Although right now, different style. History has been debuted for 3 years, but the popularity has been lukewarm. It is understandable that the company wants to take risks. Splitting up the team is necessary. That team, many people will stop being response and accept the new captain coming from nowhere. There's a lot of commotions on the fan side, and this the new captain. She is talented trainee of Juxing. Oh, Wang Shu, she really get introduced. Her appearance is really cute. Her eyes is ambitious and almighty ace. That's why she became a leader on the other side. Her name is Wang Shu. Looking at her, she looks pretty and gorgeous also. Her sister Windy. Her clothes costume is really cute and it's really different from the other team. It's Wang Shu. I've seen her on the stage as a trainee before and she's really good. Rejected a solo debut arranged by the company, but it's really possible, right? Everyone is questioning her. Don't worry, we're just conducting activities in the form of small teams. It will not affect the relationship between the members. Wang Shu, she was really clingy on Windy. Moreover, Senior Windy is a senior that I like and respect very much. I will learn a lot from her. I was busy to talk too much. I didn't expect that I could perform so stably in front of the fans for the first time. That I am very optimistic about. In the future, we Mystery will present better performance. I hope you will continue to support us. We will announce more specific information in the official blog later. So, to close their performance, the day concert ends here. Everyone seems to be happy, especially Windy and Wang Shu. The 2 of them are really getting closer to each other. After performing on the stage and introducing Wang Shu suddenly feels relief. Phew, that's all she can said. Yes, the live performance was completely different from the rehearsal. You are worthy of being the elder sister. Your performance just now was so charming. The audience must be your fans. Our number one trainee is also a fangirl of Windy. The group member is asking her. Right now, Wang Shu seems to be serious, and she was looking at her. What about fangirls? Don't talk nonsense. Windy said to them. Suddenly, Wang Shu answered and said yes. It turns out she was really a good fan of hers. Her favorites indeed, Sisters Windy. Wang Shu said to them. Looking at her, she can able to see her in front of her. She looks really shy. She is facing Windy. When I was a trainee, I was always looking forward to the opportunity to perform on the same stage with my sister. Well, that was a good confession. Although only spoke a few words on stage, this time I rehearsed. Wang Zhu said to her, grabbed the hands of Windy. She was looking on straight on her eyes. Just that I don't have enough experience, and I'm worried that it hold my sisters back. I am worried that I'm not qualified to stand by your side right now. But for Windy, such a frank and lovely junior, well, definitely it was Wang Zhu. Looking at this girl, she looks really pretty gorgeous. Wang Zhu said to her, you just have debuted. It doesn't matter if you make mistakes. Well, definitely she was right. You don't need to be perfect. When you are worried or scared, rely on me as much as possible. Windy said to her, well, the relationship is really getting better. Although I have a lot to learn myself, it seems that she was vinegar at this moment. Well, we can wait to see. Wang Shu, she was really approaching her. You're starting to get nervous with your junior. There's something happening on your tongue. Windy said, I don't. After listening, Windy right now someone's got her attention. But for this girl, seems to be not in good. Is she really jealous of something? Well, we can wait to see it. Thanks to my sister for your encouragement. I am not scared anymore. Wang Shu said to them that Windy has got attention by someone. After that, I have some stage-related questions. Can you all come to see your sister? Well, she really looks happy. Wang Shu said, sure. She was really going to come. For a few moments, the two of them still standing on the side, and it seems that they really have a tacit understanding. After hearing this right now, Wang Shu said, that's great. You have already a best friend. 5 years as a trainee are all for the chance to be part with you. Right now, she was really contented. She was with Windy. This time, I hope you belong only to me. She said to herself, well, that was really good. Hey guys, thanks for supporting. Thank you for joining membership today. Nicole Snow, Melissa Curve. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!